Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do an Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Uh, so yesterday I did not record a video. I'm sorry for that. And just a quick discussion. So after this candle that was on Friday, in my analysis video, which I posted on Sunday night, I told you that we could expect a green candle here because we already had green candles previously here. Okay, and exactly on Monday we had a green candle here, and after a big candle, like I always tell you, you will never find a follow through candle. It is usually a small halt candle which is always possible there. Okay, so now what next is what we are going to discuss. So if you look at Nifty has been continuously forming red candles. It's been 9 days and it's continuously forming red candles only. So why is this? We will definitely discuss this. So since it was a monthly candle close today, I think we should definitely discuss what is the sentiment there. So always understand one thing. This is something which I always tell my friends too. So when you can expect selling, okay, if the market has crossed a particular high. So listen to this carefully because this happens even on an intraday time frame. So for example, you see a red candle here. Okay, so imagine this is a red candle. I think we should color it red. Okay, so this is a red candle, and then now say there was a breakout and we have a green candle here, a couple of green candles. Okay, so we will color them green. uh, So please bear with me that I'm taking a little time, but this is an important thing to discuss. That's the reason I'm telling you, because after that you will understand the formation of monthly candle. So if this is a red candle, that means this is uh, a resistance which is now broken up. Okay. So now if there is another candle which is again entering in this zone. Okay. So then what happens is, so what does this mean? So this was a selling candle. That means sellers were present here, right? So we say that sellers were present here. And now we have broken this high. So now here we have buyers. Okay, so now here nobody would go and short the market because an entire selling candle has been eaten up by these both green candles. So we cannot expect sellers to just average up their position. So that is not something the big players do. So when do you again sell? Obviously, if the price starts going higher, and whenever next time it forms any sort of a reversal, then people would go and short. Otherwise, if again there is a candle which is coming and closing inside the red candles range, again people who shorted here will again go and start shorting the market again. Okay, so this is how the selling happens. And then eventually you will again find selling pressure, and then the buyers would enter here and again they'll try to give a breakout. So a lot of times this is also called as breakout failure. Okay, so then the market comes down sharply. So now I hope you understood this point. Now we'll see what happened in Nifty. So Nifty, we have red candles at this place. Okay, this is one of the red candle, this is one of the red candle. So at this place, so what is the figure at this place? It is around 18,230. Okay, so let's consider 18,200 to 250. So at this place we have red candle. So again, see here Nifty gave a breakout, then immediately the next month candle has come back into the range, and it also looks like a bearish engulfing kind of a pattern. And now this has formed a breakout failure. Here we have selling candles, so the selling is continuing, and since it was a breakout failure, Nifty is coming down sharply. So this is the logic which I wanted to explain. Now we'll similarly look at Bank Nifty. So Nifty this month, Feb, it has closed as a bearish candle. Now let's see what Bank Nifty has done. So if you look at Bank Nifty also has bearish candle, but it is like an inside candle for the previous candle. So where do you see selling in Bank Nifty? It is clearly visible. This is the red candle where there is selling, and that's where Bank Nifty is taking halt. Okay. So next time, if there is a daily candle or a weekly candle close below this level, so what is that level? Let's quickly check that. It is somewhere close to 40,100 to 39,500. Okay, so this is a monthly candle. That's the reason the range is a little big. So 39,500 to 40,100. So next time we see a weekly candle close below this place, then Bank Nifty will also see this selling pressure. So previously it fell until 36,000. So the short sellers will get activated here and they'll try to push the market down. So I hope this is clear. So both the price actions are different in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty is already experiencing selling pressure and Bank Nifty has not yet come to that place. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now I think we should go back and discuss about our Nifty Bank Nifty on a smaller time frame. So till the time the chart loads up, let's quickly check out the participant data. So what has happened in participant data today is FIs have closed about 2,454 longs and they have added 13,000 shorts. Okay, so this adding of shorts is nonsense now. See, imagine there is 9 red candles in Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty also trading around 40,000 to 40,500 range. Okay, so already both the indices have fallen pretty decent to what their position they are holding. Now it is definitely time to book profits. And if they want to short the market, obviously you don't short in a falling market, right? You wait for a retracement, then you short again, then you again wait for a retracement, then you short again. So this is how we have been taught the price action. But FIs are not really doing things right here because the market is going down every day and still they keep on adding future shorts. So which isn't that good. If you look at the daily data, see right now there is 1,31,767 future shorts, which is naked. Okay, so that's a huge number. And if you look at the shorts, it's just moving up like anything. Okay, so I don't understand what they are planning up to. And see, one of the thing is in the cash market also in the last 2 days they have been selling heavily. Yesterday I think they sold for around 2,400 crores. Today they sold for around 4,500 crores. So the cash selling has also increased. But the only good thing that I can see here is the stock future is positive. But this is normal because whenever they sell in the cash market, they also ensure that they keep on buying in the stock futures. So overall, if we look at the options, they have future shorts, nothing in call, and they have a little bit of put longs. That is because uh, that is only 1478. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have to see how FIs are creating their positions in the option chain. Okay, so we'll have to watch the option chain tomorrow. And if we look at pros, they have call shorts and put longs, but that is due to you will see close long and so close long here, close long here, close short here, and they have shorted about 17,500 call shorts. Okay, so not a significant number by the big players. So all that we have to do at the moment is watch the option chain tomorrow. That will give us a clear example or clear understanding of where the market is heading to tomorrow. Okay, and the shorts, the future shorts, if you want to understand why exactly they are adding so many future shorts, probably this could be a hedge because nobody would want to short when the market is just falling, falling, and falling. Everybody wants a retracement so that we can go for a fresh new short, but they are just adding it for no reason. So that no reason is basically that could be a hedge to their portfolio, But again, that is what I thought. But suddenly now they also have sold their portfolios. So again, the monthly number for Feb is negative. Okay. So anyways, let's see how they close their position, because whenever they short cover, we could see a sharp recovery, and I'm just waiting for that. Okay. So now let's get back to our intraday analysis. So maybe in the coming weekend we could discuss more about this FIS positions, and let's understand what they're actually trying to do. Okay. So this is our Bank Nifty chart. If you see in the last few minutes, there was a huge volume here. The entire day there was no volume. Yesterday there was no volume today, but in the last few minutes, so probably I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30 minutes. So last 30 minutes, we could see huge volume. So this volume is both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So some speculation moves. So FIs have been becoming very speculative these days, hence they're keeping on adding future shorts. Okay. So this is a small and a tight range, and I was expecting this dip here, and since morning I was expecting this, and I wanted to buy a call. Unfortunately I couldn't do that, but I couldn't just keep on waiting. I definitely did buy a put here for this dip, and I was able to capture it. Then I closed the market, and I mean I closed my laptop. So now what we need to do here is basically see below this level, so that is below 40,080. Okay, Bank Nifty is going to be bearish. Okay, till that time, no, you will not even think about a bearish trade. So see, the price action looks very simple. This is a sideways area. Market gave a dip and closed at a higher level. So everyone would expect that, okay, the market opens flat, and if it breaks this high, 40,350, then the market will move to 40,500 and 600. So this is what you will get to know from all the YouTubers. But we know that market isn't that easy. If that really happens tomorrow, like if market opens flat and if it is going to break out this level, we all know very well that we all are going to buy a call here. And if that happens, then obviously FIs will have to cover their positions or cover their short futures that they have, because there would be so many people who will become bullish here. So what I think is market definitely is going to confuse us. So how it can confuse us? There are two things. Either it will open with a big gap up, or else it will open with a gap down. Okay, if so, now we'll understand this scenario. So if we open gap down, so right now we have closed around 40,250, 260. If we open around 40,100, okay, so I would say don't think of going short till the time we break this level and you see a follow through candle. Okay, don't do anything here, because obviously if it goes to fill the gap, then again Bank Nifty will play sideways here, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so any gap down opening here, if you see first green candles high being taken off, you can definitely try a call, at least for the target of 40,300. Okay, so you can trade this gap filling place. And the second thing is, if we open gap down below this, okay, then it can be a little dangerous, and we will, so the best thing to do is trade the Fibonacci levels. Okay, the first 5-minute candles Fibonacci levels, trade that could give us a better trade. Okay, but definitely opening below 40,080 can be strongly bearish. And if we see the first 5 minutes candle being taken down on the downside, obviously that selling will get intensified, because this is completely sideways market. See, the entire day the VWAP has been flat here. That means a lot of positions has been taken around 40,300. Everyone will get stuck if the market opens around 40,080 or 40,000. So keep that in mind. Second thing is, like we said, if we open flat and if we break 40,350, obviously we'll take a call for the target of 40,500 and 40,600 also. Okay. What if we open a gap with a gap up? So if it's a small gap up, say it is opening around 40,400, and we give a dip here, and if we cross this high, then only we'll go for a call. Okay, and then we can go for a target of 40,600 to 40,800 also. We could see some short covering if it breaks the day high. This is one of the scenario. And if we open with a very big gap up, let's say around 40,500, then that is going to be waste. It is definitely going to come for selling, and slow and steady it will come to 40,300. So definitely if it opens around 40,500, looking at one red candle, and if we cross that red candle slow, we can go for a put. Target should be around 40,300 to 230. This is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. So Nifty is like, enough is enough. Okay. So definitely everyone is expecting a red candle. See, what happens is, basically if the market is continuously coming down, this is especially for me, like though I'm a decent trader, a lot of times if the market is continuously falling, then I don't enter, because I don't know how to enter. Because I always enter in a retracement. Okay, if I get this retracement, I enter, then I get a fall, maybe I'll book my target. Again, if I get a retracement, again I'll re-enter, and then again I'll expect a fall. So this is how I trade. But if the market is falling continuously, then forget it. I'll never be able to trade. Okay? So that's my way of trading. But so what happens is, so why I'm discussing this? So when the market is continuously falling, the interest of fresh selling becomes lesser. Okay, it is only the sellers who have shorted from the top. They are just shifting their positions and holding good amount of profits with an SL. Whenever they find a slight reversal, they will escape. So that's the reason the fresh sellers will not come, because they do not know when there could be a short cover trigger. So this is one of the reason why I'm expecting a green candle in Nifty very soon. So I think it would be great if it puts a green candle tomorrow, and this could be one of the reason why both FIs and pros do not uh, have any significant positions overnight. Okay, so they'll definitely create it tomorrow. So we'll have to strongly check out the option chain. So Nifty had an important support of 17,350, which was the budget day low. That low was broken yesterday, and it made a fresh low of 17,299. Today again, that low was breached, and it made a new low of 17,255. Okay, but somehow it managed to close above 17,300. So what we can do is, so this can act as an important support for tomorrow. So in case if Nifty opens flat and gives a dip, or if it opens gap down and it doesn't breach this low, and just in case if you see a hammer candle in any time frame, it could be 5 minutes or 15 minutes, definitely you'll have to go long, because this support will not be retested again, and we could see a recovery coming up in Nifty. So in that case, like I said, even if you open gap down or a flat opening, and if we get a dip closer to this swing, okay, around 250. So if we get a dip until this place also, that is also fine. So what is that place? Around 280, 260. Okay, so this should be your SL. You've taken entry here. So like I said, wait and see if it is forming any W kind of a pattern or any hammer candle in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Then you can go along with this swing low as your SL. To take a call, the target that you can expect, your first target should be around 17,350, and then 17,400. Okay, so 17,350 and 17,400. Entry should be somewhere close to 17,280 with an SL of 17,250. I hope this is clear. And in case if the short covering triggers, Nifty can show a good recovery like Bank Nifty. Okay. Now the flat opening done, gap down opening done. In case if we open somewhere here and if we take support at 17,303, do nothing until unless we cross this red candle, which is around 17,340. Once we clear this area, we can go for a call. The immediate target would be 17,430. Okay, 100 points more. What in case of a gap up opening? If the gap up is small, say around 17,360, like Bank Nifty, as I said, we'll wait for a dip. In case if it takes out the high, then we'll go for a call. Otherwise, if it comes here and starts doing time pass, then if you see any double bottom kind of a pattern, then you can go for a call, but a put short would be better here. So overall, the structure uh, tells us to take a bullish trade because the fall has been significant. But I think if we have to take a bullish trade, Nifty would be a better option unlike Bank Nifty. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.